Hello children, in our previous classes we learnt about matter, what is matter composed of and what are the different types of matter and their qualities. Okay, now solubility of substances in water. Solubility means, what is solubility? Solubility of a substance is its property to dissolve in some other substance to form a mixture of uniform nature. Solubility means any substance which can fully or partly dissolve in other substance. Okay, the substance which get dissolved is called solute. जो substance हम लोग डालते हैं dissolve करने के लिए, that is called solute, while the other substance in which the solute get dissolved is called solvent. The resulting uniform mixtures is called solution. So for example, if we take salt and then we mix it with dissolved salt into water, then salt is our solute. Okay, means the things which we dissolve, which get dissolved in water, not water, in anything, the thing which get dissolved, that is called solute. Suppose for example, if we take salt and water, if we mix salt into water, then salt is solute and water is solvent, and the mixture is called solution. Water is a very good solvent. Most of the substances readily dissolve in water. That is why it is known as the universal solvent. Let's gather some more information on solubility of different substances in water. So water is called as universal solvent. It is a very good solvent because वाटर में क्या होता है, ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे सब्सटेंसेस डिजॉल्व हो सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टडी मोर अबाउट solubility. Now solubility of solids in water. The most common examples of solids that dissolve in water are salt and sugar. As I told you that solid which get dissolved in water are salt and sugar, but not all solid dissolve in water. Yes, definitely solids like sand particles and chalk powder settle down at the bottom of the container. So ये नहीं कह सकते कि सभी सॉलिड डिसॉल्व करते हैं, ओनली सॉल्ट एंड शुगर, बट कुछ कुछ सॉलिड ऐसा होता है जो वाटर के बॉटम में या बेस में रह जाता है. ओके, नाउ सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ लिक्विड्स इन वाटर. अब कौन सा लिक्विड जो है वो वाटर में सोल्यूबल हो सकता है? मोस्ट ऑफ द लिक्विड्स डिसॉल्व इजीली इन वाटर. वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस बाय परफॉर्मिंग a simple activity. Take a mug of water and put a few drops of ink in it. We will notice that the ink dissolves quickly and the water becomes colored. Similarly, fruit juices, milk, etc. are soluble in water. Examples of liquids that are insoluble in water include petrol, kerosene oil, butter, etc. So, suppose we take ink and we put a few drops of ink into water. What we will see that the water color get changed, isn't it? So we can say that liquid dissolve in water, but कुछ liquid ऐसे भी होते हैं जो dissolve नहीं करते हैं. For example, petrol, kerosene, butter, these things get float in water, isn't it? ये float करता रहता है water में, ये dissolve नहीं होता है. Now, solubility of gases in water. कौन सा gas जो है वो soluble हो सकता है water में? That we will study. Now, carbonated drinks are the best example to show solubility of gases in water. In these drinks, carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. If you shake and open a bottle of soda, you will see this gas coming out in the form of bubbles. So, suppose carbonated drinks या कोई भी soft drinks ले सकते हैं हम लोग, और जब उसे खोलते हैं तो what we see? Bubbles coming out, isn't it? This happens because the pressure under which the gas was dissolved in water decreases on opening the bottle and it releases out in the form of bubbles. क्योंकि water में जो gas को डाला गया था while packing it, the pressure was under water pressure. Okay, that was under pressure, but as it was opened, जैसे उसे खोला गया उसका जो प्रेशर है वाटर से वो कमता गया, एंड फाइनली It came out in the forms of bubbles. Besides carbon dioxide, other gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. are also soluble in water. So, these gases are also soluble in water. Aquatic animals breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water and hence are able to survive inside the water. So, aquatic animals, water animals, they breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Means the water में क्या होता है, ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन मिक्स रहता है. So from that they used to get oxygen and they survive in that. Okay, in it they survive in water. So let's stop till here. Next day I will do the next part. Thank you.